guys, so it's currently 1:42, still waiting for the Center C counter. Kasi doon namin kukunin yung boarding pass later on. So it's currently 1:42. We arrived here at 1, tama. So we've been staying here for an hour now. And we're still waiting for our cousins to... Ay, 12:30. Oo. Yeah, 12:30, let's say. So, okay lang. It's okay to be early, diba? Early bird catches the worm. So, most probably, mauna kami po sa counter later on for boarding pass. And while we are waiting, we're going to, have some Q&A for the immigration office. Let's start. Ganito yung atake nila doon. Ilang araw kayo doon?
4 days po.
Kailan yung balik nyo?
Yung returning po namin is April 6.
Anong oras?
10:35 p.m. po.
Anong 10:35 p.m.?
Yung... Sino yung mga kasama mo? Sino yung mga pinsan mo?
Tatlo ko pong pinsan, isa pong kapatid, tapos yung kapatid ko.
Ano, may trabaho ka ba?
Yes.
Ba't nakalagay dito, student?
Student din po ako. Actually po, third year.
Ang taray ng ano.
Third year college student po ako.
Patingin nga ng statements of account mo. Ba't ang laki na sahod mo? Eme lang.
A few moments later.
We're going to Hong Kong! We passed the immigration! Dami!
Guys, it took me an hour to pass.
Siya yung pinakamatagal guys. Super tagal. Tapos yan, super bilis lang.
Guys, huwag niyo akong gayahin.
Ayun yung pinakamabilis oh. Yan, yung pinaka-gorgeous na mabilis na yarn. So, we passed the immigration. So, how's the immigration? Ikaw yung pinakamabilis, di ba girl? Ay, ikaw be? Siyempre, given na how's your immigration office? Power.
I love you.
Thank you po. Tapos yung pinakamatagal, ate, ano yung mga questions sa'yo?
Same lang.
Wow, parang hindi siya. May dala kamsangan. Parang, ikaw be? Silang. Nandun na siya. Si Ate May, alam mo, si Ate May, may mga tarantaya ka pa, girl, yung kain eh.
Yung dalawa yung tinitingnan ko, pati yung kay, Mix, oo.
Di ba yung hotel ninyo, siya? Hindi siya kasama sa akin.
Oo, kasi di ba separate.
Pero may screenshot ka.
Approve ba yung mo? Sabi, paano ba naman? Oh, tinanong kung approve yung leave ko. Of course. Sabi ko gano'n. Meron kang certificate of employment. Of course.
Ganito. Sabi nila sa akin, ilang araw kayo? 4 days. Sino yung mga kasama mo? Pinsan ko po. Nasaan sila? Ayun po.
Ganyan ka soft girl?
Oh, girl. Tapos na.
Napipake mo, Soy?
Wala lang.
Uy, ginorgeous mo lang. Anyway, we're going to update you once we landed Hong Kong. Bye. Ayan o. Show Shang. Chong. Headed to the Rambler Oasis Hotel. After for probably 10 minutes or 20 minutes ride sa bus. Bilis lang. Ayan, sinakasap na namin. Guys. We finally made it to the hotel. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are on our way to for us to our first meal of the day. Yeah, another bus, another sa aming octopus car. Yeah. Super nice here in Hong Kong. Naliligaw na po kami. So, pwede namin ito sa katawan. Pero, one thing is for sure, we're going somewhere.
Nasa maya na pa tayo eh.
Somewhere.
Gravity po natin. That's
Hey guys! Grabe naman. And crystal yung pinili namin para dama ang moment.
Para transparent yung ano.
Yeah. Kasi yung pila dyan, yun yung pila sa mga ano, hindi crystal. Ayan siya. Pero pag crystal, gano'n siya. Then we have different. That's kahit tatlo lang.
Solo namin.
Solo tayo. Yeah!
Thank you. Ay,
Ayan siya, guys. It's not that scary at all pala.
Kaya lang ko yung babe.
Wow.
Pero it's wow. Like, it's legit, guys. Look! Picture ka ba?
Hey guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Monkey Delicious sa pinakamataas na bundok. Grabe, look at that. I love puta pa naman nakakalayo na. Okay. Yan na si Buda guys. Shit, ayun yung Teo, sinasabi mo na Super fun guys, super bilis lang. Do your cable car photo. Saan? Here. Let's check. Super pricey ng mga $48. So, nasa $350 na yun. People here are living coin. Saturday they are living a Hong Kong coin or penny, but I will leave Jose Rizal here. Ito na yung pinaka... Ayan, Temple Spicy Crab.
Oo, yun na nga yan. Kasi yun yung mga nakasabi ko na.
Okay.
Ma-appreciate kapag yung nilanghap.
Going back to our hotel. Yeah.
Po namin ng 1 point po ang Viber. Para po sa amin kuya, si Vince is hindi pa rin po ganun nagpapakatotoo until now. May times po na masyado pa rin siyang tahimik and nagpapaka-safe pa rin po siya until now.
Good morning, everyone!
A few moments later.
Guys, mauna na po kami.
Goodbye.
Today is the happiest day. It's the happiest place of Earth.
Of
Diba?
the universe.
Of the universe and all. And the cargo is cargoing. Look! Sana kami sa Cafe de Coral to have our breakfast. This is the hotel. The theme is red, so we're burning red. Coral, that's our hotel. Malayo ba yung Cafe de Coral ba?
Not sure. Sabi turn left.
Okay, turn left. Ready na ba ang lahat? Ready na kami. Kayate. Baka ang bilis tapos level up yung ating. Welcome to the happiest place on earth. Oh my God! Let's go! 1.5 yan. Guys, tunog pa lang. Grabe.
Hi guys! We're here! Guys, we're here now. It feels so real!
We are here in this world. Yay!
Let's go!
Grabe ang sound! Dati pinapaharap ko lang ito, guys. Now I'm here. Thank you so much for making me experience this, Lord. Grabe ka. You're the best. Ganda! Wala pa to. The sound, the everything, the people, and the place, and the weather, and the... Sobrang ganda mo, Disneyland. This is the happiest place on earth, as they say, and I can say that wala pa man, sobrang happy ko na, guys. Sobrang init. Yay, thank you.
Wala, dyan ka lang sa
Here in Disneyland. The happiest place on earth. There's the castle. In fairness, kahit tirik yung araw, malamig. Yeah. This is the best day ever. And the happiest place on earth. Look, ganda pala siya ng malapitan, guys. It's Coronation Day. The feeling isn't anymore. I know we own 1,000 salad plates. Empty house. Why have a ballroom with no vault? Finally opening up the gates. So we're actually alive people. It's totally bizarre. Why am I so ready for this change? Oh! For the first time in forever, the music they're alive. We can do this hand in hand. Ang ganda here. I won't be alone. Hey guys, dito kami ngayon yung castle. We're going to go inside the Disney Castle. Wow!
Frozen Castle.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so enchanted here. Yeah, these are your things. Cutesy! Yay, Cinderella Carousel.
There's
Where? Oo nga, ayun yung nails sa castle, guys. Longer call. No, nails. Diba? Let's do the running.
Where's the castle?
Toy Story Land. This way. Ayan na siya, guys. Yung nakikita natin. So cool! Ganda! Yay! Ayan siya, guys. Super nice. Super nice here. So nice here. The Grizzly, yes.
Here's just a friendly reminder of some safety rules here at Big Grizzly Mountain Mine. What do you want?
Pad got cracked. What verification na ba? Mga OA ng taon. Mga OA ng taon. Ito yung conversation niya. ka? Ay, Donald Duck. I wanna take a picture. Ay, mahal dito. It's $35.
Ayun o, nandun pa lang tayo. Ay, ito yung bracelet.
Okay. Yes. The window is open, so the door. I didn't do that anymore. No way out in thousand salad plates. I the empty hall. Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally, they're opening up the gates. So they're actually real life people. It is totally strange. Now I'm ready for this day. Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music. Doon tayo, Beb. They're the light. For the first time in forever, nothing's in my way. Ganda, Be! Super! Oh my God! Teka, so we are Frozen Castle. Yan siya. Hey guys, so makita. 3.
Okay, wait for next call. Hi guys. It's finally our turn. Oh no. Malakas. Olaf and Sven. Yes. Okay. Wow. That's Olaf. Hi Olaf.
On a day very much like today.
Wait, wow! Ay! Ay!
No, please. Hindi nakaka-perfect yan.
Ay, Olaf!
Crazy. Ay, ayan na siya.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
Bigyan ka tayong mumunang kain. Like, coach na, Beb.
Oh, smile! Ay, Elsa!
Oh my God. Gorgeous ka dyan. Ako.
Walk the limit and break through the white rose, no rules for me. I'm free. Let go, let go. I want to be one.
Let it go, let it go. The furthest is right. Go, ate ko.
The cold never bothered me anyway. What? Maybe pagganap.
Indeed, the happiest place on earth.
Yes! Oh, wow! There's the ice castle. Wow! Ay, ang cute na! Wow! Cute see!
Ah, chef.
Ay! Oh!
Diyan tayo. Oh my God.
What? What? Oh no! Uy, ang cute!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Mga okay na tao.
Oh my God!
Cutesy.
Ay, ko!
Aray, Dana. Tsura tamo.
Ay, sorry!
Cutesy, dali tang gulat tamo, Bebo.
Dahil legit. Buti ko yung mga yan na.
Nonchalant lang. Cutesy! Ay, ito, bracelet. 189?
Basic na naman yan po nyo.
Alira ni kasi makanyan mura la.
Mga init.
Yeah. Cutesy. Hey guys, so we are here in Royal Banquet, tama? And we are having some different delicacies. May international, Japanese, iba-iba. Well, anyway, kanina, balo mo batid ang meme sa lika ko ng Dead Kaya, Filipino, Laguna, Aling. So sabi ko, matagal na po ba kayo dito? Ganyan. Saan sa Philippines? So you're not listening to me. Tapos yun, wala lang, ang ganda. What are you having, ate?
It's a roasted chicken with fries and beans.
Magkano yan, be?
$5 Hong Kong dollars.
And if you will convert it into peso, how much? 165 times 7. 1,1. Kaya pala sabi na mahal dito. So yung kinakain namin per head is 1,000 something. Mahal din siya. Pero pwede na. Malaki naman yung serving, ate, no? So, let's eat, guys, in peace.
We went to Mystic Manor. It's a nice experience. Especially Elsa Ice Castle. As in, bogs talaga siya, guys. It's worth the wait kasi we waited for like an hour or almost an hour just to see Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, Olaf, and the Iceman, the Ice Monster. Yorn. Sobrang ganda. You definitely go here kasi it's a nice experience. Yeah, with your family. And I do recommend you wear mga shoes kasi nasaktan pa ako kasi naka-boots ako. Or if you want to wear boots, make sure you bring shoes, yung mga comfy shoes, ganun. Yun lang, fine guys.
Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa mga vendor Kenny. Tapos, eto siya. I-claim namin siya, guys.
Yes.
Ayan. Ito yung, kanina claim namin yung 2-in-1 meal nebeb. Tapos ngayon naman,
$160.
yung popcorn or frozen lollipop. Ayan. Clock Kemel. Ayan siya. Clock Kemel.
$1,000.
Be? 160 ata yung worth nito. So that's probably around 1,000. What's this? Chicken. Yes, kanya niya.
Ay, big!
Galaw, ma'am.
Picture ma'am.
We're just roaming around and we are going to try the Elsa ride. Then after
Where are we going?
Ito Elsa. We're going back to the Elsa's castle. We're going to do the ride. Kasi earlier kumain muna kami after we've watched the Elsa something. Basta, we're so happy every time we are with. Pagod.
Pero ang saya.
Ang saya, oh. Lalo na kapag papunta dito, be.
Iba yung experience kapag nasa actual place ka.
Yeah.
It's indeed the happiest place on earth!
Yes! This time around, busog version na kami.
Sarap ng ice cream.
Really?
Sarap.
Yeah. Ito yung expressway. Guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Elsas Ride. Naririnig nyo sila. Super. Kaya ako lang mag-isa dito. Iniwan na ako nila mga kasama ko. So, I'm just alone here. I'm hoping hindi mo yung ano yung phone ko. Sana. Yan lang. Magkasaya.
I'm so excited.
Number 1 tayo, guys. Sobrang perfect. They get to experience the extreme ride. Guys, ito na. Number 1 tayo. Putang ina. Ay. Oy, wala pa. Super liwanag. Tignan mo na ang putang ina. Wala pa. That's it? For an hour? My God! I want more! That's it. We did it. That's just 1 minute. Yeah. We waited for an hour for a 1 minute ride. Girl, I want more. Oh, tapos na guys. No. Guys, sobrang bilis nung ano. Diyos ko, wala man 1 minute tapos yung pila 30 minutes. Grabe. Ayun yung pinila namin, oh. Tapos ganun lang kabilis. Grabe talaga. Sobrang bilis lang.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so it's currently 5:07 and we are just waiting for the Disneyland fireworks. And let me show you. Wow. Totoo, mukha kang mahal.
500! Girl!
Oo, eh? Oo, naman sa 500. Totoo? Look at the people, guys. Sobrang dami ng tao. Diyan kami kanina. Aliyak ko.
Every day
picture na.
Okay, ako magagalo ah.
Ano?
Picture.
May picture na.
Why? Screenshot ko na lang.
Be, medyo ko lang nga. Pero realize ko, nang katsura pa gal, Ben, mo kaya video. Ay, be, bakit?
Oo, ayaw ko na-realize.
Ne? Mas ano niya yung
Tsaka may moment.
Muntik na ako naiyak doon sa
Para
Coco.
ma-moment yun.
Kasi kinakagay ko yung pisngin ng daming tao. Kala ko.
Hindi ako mag-video ko makatis mo kayo. At the same time, mag-be ako makanya, no?
Fairness kang girl na, alya pa full story.
I know, right? I
1 terabyte?
No, I did a lot.
Ay, delete mo rin.
Yeah.
Dito kami nagkagulo kanina din.
Dito kami mag-ano, cousin over.
Beto rin power na.
Ay, girlfriend, tuk pa nang dukya ka. Niliyari hindi ako. Buti, isip niya, tinilyak. May lubat ko, be? Di, makatitlo kong dinurun.
Di ba ba ito yung FTR, be?
Girl, sabi lang, wala ako kahit ako hindi nag-accept. Huwag ka hiniyak pa rin lang. Ang hindi, dumurtang mo Wah,
Yung paglabas ng Saturday. Yung paglabas ng Saturday,
hindi ka hiniyak pa rin lang.
dapat nang tuwong mo.
Sinita mo nga, diba mo?
Sino nagsasabi sila?
Kaya nga,
Sumakay kayo.
ayun kami nga. Sabi na ko kaya yung kami.
Be, malulo.
Hey guys, just an update. It's our 3rd day in Hong Kong and we are on our way to Macau. Look at the fit. Like, it's complementing to each other. Like, we didn't talk about our outfits, but yeah, super ganda. And lahat. That's the whole fit.
Strawberry on my lips, and you think it's it.
So siya ng hulso.
Can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good
Ito yung binibili ko kagabi, oh. 2,440.
lazy Sunday afternoon. I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love
parang
with
bed
the summer
cookies.
days.
Yes, no? Pang gift.
Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine from the poolside.
Dito tayo kagabi, no, te?
Time living for the hot
Dito tayo kagabi, no?
the right vibe and the tan line. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine from the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot vibe. Bring the right vibe and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. So together we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music don't repeat. You can beat this feeling, this feeling. Let's keep the school on and on. Crack up the bars on and on and on and on. Caught up in the moment, just like a dream.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we are currently here in the West Hotel, Kineme. Yung hour natin today is brown. Super fresh lang, ganyan. Look at my outfit. Diba? Ganito yung poksaan dito sa Macau. And look at me. Literally holding my iPad doing some vlog for you guys. Well, this is for memory to keep. Pero wala. Ganito lang tayo. Gantong ka-freshnessan lang yung ipaparanas ko sa inyo. Sobrang bango dito, guys. Grabe. Here in Macau. Look at the view. Sobrang ganda. Especially the outfit. Uy, ikaw pala yan. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? O, ika. Fresh pa din naman. Dito lang kami ngayon sa Venetian. Look at that. Big Ben. Soon in 2020, 30 na lang. In 2030, hopefully we'll be in London. This man, Nana V. Good of Jésus. Good-Verahou. Bonjour. Skipperies. Fashion na. Walk lang. Fresh lang. Ganda dito sa Macau, guys.
Debu.
Daming tao. Yung actual Eiffel Tower, a lot bigger siya. Like, wala pa yan. Like, parang isang...
Yes.
Ganyan
That's
pa.
the answer, yes.
Magkatamo ka dyan. I know, pero pwede diba? Ayun mga tao.
Dahil na ating bayad yan.
Okay, this is the perfection. Tali, where are you? We are in Paris. Soon, after 5 years, we're gonna be in Paris. Ay, wadrangin Laila pala, Bel. Di ate may kanta Iyate may jure iya. Owa. Kinompa ko. Oo, very damn. Ay, very kang pampangan. At ako siya kapares, kaya makanya niya. Oh, wow. At least, expensive. So, alauna na. And nandito pa rin kami sa Paris. Ayan, yung mga Diyosawa ng mga girlfriend ng mga ate namin, dito kami. Meron kasi silang nakilala dito na kilala nila, college friends. So, that's so nice, diba? To see your acquaintance, to see your college classmate na dito sa place. Diba? Like, ang bilis ng panahon. I'm still in college and I don't wanna graduate yet. So, not yet ready, pero yeah. This hour out with the Paris.
Pag nag-picture tayo, mag-catch-up mo
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Macau. And we're gonna try on those authentic food. Sobrang daming tao, guys, and we don't know where we are going to eat. It's currently 2. Ayan. Wala pa kaming lunch. Ayan. We're going to eat somewhere.
Marami dito eh. Kung ano naman daanan natin.
Wala na nakaluwa daanan na.
Ret ang bet na nga, Ret ang kakanyan, no? Hindi ganyan eh, ganyan. Kasi marami daw free taste dito sa Macau, guys. So, yun. Ayan na, may McDo. Hindi ano na try the McDo. Parang pantawid ko ito muna McDo, tapos ngayon mag-books na tayo ng bong. Dami tao. Ay, by the way, guys, holiday pala ngayon sa Macau, April 5. Sabi nila. Sabi lang nila, hindi ko alam ito. Nanuwing bet you. Fairness ng ate girl, oh, hindi pa siya full storage. Grabe. Casa de Lugo. Ate May, na ba itong kakanyan? Kakanyan tanag yan? Ali pa ba? Mamayat na pala. Wala kakanyan tanag.
Orderin pa tayo doon.
Kayo bahala. Sali ka ng magnet, be? Yan naman. Ito siya, masasaksihan natin ang pagbili ng tsinelas ng ating kababayan. Ayan siya, from boots to tsinelas. Real quick. Should also buy some slippers. Ito yung pinakasikat na song sa Facebook. Ay, sa YouTube. Chow sang 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 sang.
Only one.
Yummer.
Worth it siya. For only $10, you can get your next card. Here, pakita mo yun, no? Yung store nila.
Got some milk tea here. Ayan. So, ayun, guys. Ito. Pero gusto mo? Matcha.
Hindi lang naman siya.
Where? Where? Parang wala bibigyan kita na mag-my day.
Naman kailangan ko, pero hindi ko siya mag-matcha. Di ba girl ako mag-matcha?
Kaya ang matcha girlie.
Anong takan niya naman?
Doon ka rin tawag.
Naliligaw kami, guys.
Naliligaw kami, guys. Dito kami sa may St. Paul Ruins.
Ah, St. Paul Ruins yung house
Oo, dito sa Senado Square. So naliligaw. Hindi namin alam yung palabas para papunta sa port. Sakay kami ng bus.
Oo.
Ng
Mag-ferry
101X
tayo?
or 102X.
Mag-ferry ba tayo? Or?
Hindi, magbabas lang tayo. Pero, ayun, ayaw. Ay, ayaw. Naliligaw
One way
kami.
lang. Sobrang
Ay,
dami
okay.
tao.
Okay.
Sure na yan?
Okay lang, kay di sure. Go, go, go.
Uy, rempitis. Sorry, panchinelas.
Bumudamig sinelas na kami, B.
Sorry pa.
Ayun o, pakiting ka ako, B.
Ha?
Makachinelas ko, oh. Chinelas ko, B.
Guys, sinikutan na namin, guys. Ay, more people na naman. Wow, kinaganta mo mo. So, kumanyantakan yun. Sa kanya, may pakanyantahan na naman yun. Hindi, yung paganyan na tayo. Kanyantakan. Kaya nga, harapin. Ba't makanta mo yun? Diba karanta mo? Kinanyanta kasi yan.
Girl, aliyok!
Galing tayo doon. Tapos mo ulit yan. Next time.
No. No. Frederick, sorry. Visit si Pan. Guys, sobrang sakit na ng mga paa namin. Naka-boots and everything kami. Tapos, umikot lang kami. Guys, time check, mga paline. Kaya katsura na 2 hours tayo nag-wait, no? Pupunta na kami na haba ng pila sa ano. Grabe. From Macau to ito, airport ng Hong Kong sa immigration. Sobrang haba. Wow, tignan mo yung airplane. lang kami dito ulit. Ang haba pala ng pila.
Mimiya pa ako.
So we finally got home. Nag-order lang kami ng I got fried burger. Matcha.
Send ka ng dodo mo. Mali pala.
Sendan kayo ng mga bold pictures? Ay, ate yan. Ayan, tama na to.
No, tama na to, isese.
Sana nakakalda kasi. Guys, so last day na namin today dito sa Hong Kong and we're on our way to HK Central Cafe. Hey guys, so tapos na lahat-lahat and this is the last day in Hong Kong. Ang fresh ko naman. This is the whole thing. Good morning guys, so it's gloomy weather here in Hong Kong. It's our last day and we are on our way to Hong Kong Central. We got this umbrella in the Rambler Oasis Hotel wherein mag-deposit na ng 100. Guys, so papunta kami ngayon sa Hong Kong Central and mga 30 minutes yung 5 station yung inaanan namin. So, yeah. Sabi na yun guys. Hong Kong Central. Sabi na yun. Ayun, fresh mo dito girl.
Picture pa.
Wait lang pa rin ito. Hey guys, we finally made it here in Hong Kong Central. It's like the Manila and the Philippines. Sobrang bilis lang ng biyahe, 30 minutes. Sobrang layo ng pinanggalingan namin. So we'll take a lot of pictures here and all of that. Wala kayo yung gulo ko. Hi guys, so maghahanap kami ngayon ng kakainan namin. So samahan nyo kami. Let's go, lipat. Yes!
Makalago yun. Makasira yung labilis.
Uy, payo. Kaya tayo kakain.
Mega ni Gantes.
Dito sa may Gantes.
Ay, ano? MTR. O, padama na ba?
Mag-MTR ka ta?
Lungda mong kani.
Okay.
Lungda mong para paano tayo tayo.
Siya.
Gracie, pa Google Maps na ako.
Wala akong Google Maps. Sige, Ben.
Dito yung mga souvenir.
yes.
Punta na Divisoria, nandun na Chuta BGC.
Yan na, Ben.
Ay, umuulan talaga. It's our last day naman in Hong Kong. Ngayon lang umulan guys. So, carry lang. Magnet guys. Saan tayo, be? Tingin lang kami. Hong Kong souvenir siya.
For 100 lang ito.
5 for 30. Oh, mura dun. Sa Macau, 5 for... Ah! Ha?
Ako 25. sale. So, each 25.
Oo.
Full sale. So, rin chat renta. Mura yung sale.
Right. Macau? Mura Macau kasi 5 na, 30 na. Tsaka doon sa ref magnet nila, 10 lang isa.
Diba? Pabili ako ng 10.
Ayan guys, yung mga ref magnet. Oh, mura sa Macau guys. Tsaka doon sa ano ang mahal. Pero parang gusto ko ng tote bag ate. Titingin tayo ng tote bag. Ayan sila ang dami. Jet Kito, yakot ang black.
Girl, bala mo, buri ka rin nandun yan itik ko.
Yan? Gusto ko rin yun. Oo. Iba yung atake niya talaga. Ay, kailangan kong sali. It's now or never.
Andiyan niya ako sa libo.
59 lang. 2 for 110. So, since tigisa tayo.
Girl, ganyan rin masansin.
Balama dyan yan eh. Ayan siya. Ganda nga. Ganito. Mga ganito.
Sali kong metong...
Ay, bet Kenny.
Andiyan niya si Bertie. Iyak ko ito ng chat.
Bet Kenny yan eh.
Ano?
Be. May mga ganun na 39 lang. Yako Benson eh. Ganda siya. Ako ito. Ayan, Bachelor of Honor.
3 pieces. 3-4 kaya yung girl.
Yung kula vet din. Ito marami siyang packet oh. And everything. How much for this? 59? Tapos mga I love Hong Kong. Na t-shirt. Ayun sila. Bibili tayo guys. How much for t-shirt? Titingin pa tayo. I think I like this, no? For my daddy. Hi guys, so pumunta. Bakit tayo kay ate? Tote bag and mga ginemmer doon. So pumunta siya.
Hi guys, so we're here at the Michelin Guide restaurant here in Central. I think it's near, I don't know where street is this, but we just found it on Google Map and I tried to search it on the internet. It says that it's here. So we're here. Luckily the line is not long and actually there's no line at all. Okay, bye.
Number 20. Thank you, sir. Here.
Oh yeah, here's the number. Dito kami ngayon sa cultural something. And it's so nice here. We take a lot of photos and grabe, pinanood ko yung video namin kagabi sa Disneyland. Sobrang ganda. Hindi, wala naman ulan. Kanina umuulan ng bongga guys. Pero ngayon, wala. Wala na, meron naman. Hindi na siya umuulan ha. Kaya. Si Ate Nel. Ayan po ang, di ba? Hong Kong Museum of Arts. Arts. Ganyan. Unbelievable sight. Sobrang lawak ng Hong Kong. Sobrang ganda dito. It's just like a BGC pero to the other country. Ganun yung vibes. Doon kami dadaan pero gusto ko dito. It's so cute kasi here. Oh, diba? As an OA person, pwede namang dumaan doon. Pero gusto ko dito. Yan, so basta ako kami. See. Walk lang. I'm officially missing you. All I need is one. Doon tayo kanina, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo.
Doon tayo mo, Rog, kaya
Kaya tayo pa. Go na. Ito na yung Shibuya Crossing, guys. In 2030, we're gonna be in Japan. We're gonna be English teacher in Japan. Hopefully. Diba? Aww. Iwan sila. Sobrang ganda dito sa akin. This is my outfit, by the way.
Oh, dalawa yung order. Iba niya, dalawa yung order mo.
Ayun yung sa kanya. O, ayan na ba? Ayan na. Hi guys, nandito kami sa Parang Divisoria ng Hong Kong. Hi Ate Kes. Tapos yun yung binili ko. Excuse me. This one. This is originally for 200 pero we got this for $80. Ang ganda. Mahigit ano katawaran. Ito siya. Oh my god, paano itong binili? Yes, the wallet. Yes, yo. Ang dami dito sa Hong Kong.
Marami yung patalubong ko.
How much is that?
Ayun ba yun? Tsaka yung babayaran ko.
Ay, Starbucks bed.
Okay na to, okay na.
Mga Chanel. Ayan.
I will pay. I will pay.
Guys,
Putaminin na yun.
so cute. Papakita ko mga pictures. Kaya kabal mo ka na, nung ko ng kami. Sarap kaya.
Dahan, makaya ko. Hindi naman niya.
Oo, makanin niya.
Tama na ba?
Wag mo na lang sabihin kung ano yan. Ano ba yung texture, no? Hi guys! Last day na namin to. Yeah. Ano ma-miss? Dami namin pinag-learn. Look. And ito yung hotel namin. By Ramsey, by Hong Kong. Bye guys! Yeah. We're definitely gonna come back here with the family, not that? Once we are millionaire and successful. Okay guys, we're flying back home pero hindi gilong-gilong na kami. Ito ang struggle ng mga tunay na Pinoy na nakikipagsapalaran sa buhay. Sobrang doble-doble ng aming outfit. Bagay ko pala itong all black na to. Paano ba? Dito masusubok ang anin. Paghihirap sa Pinas.
Dito naman.
Nasa 8:32 kami guys.
Kasi baka pag sumakay tayo dito, dalanan na lang din eh. Iba pa rin, ito yung last station.
Namin alarm. Update. Ang aming flight ay 10:35. Kanina nandoon kami sa kabila. Pero dapat pala dito sa kabila na to. Ayun o. 2 and 4. 8:32.
Lipat kayo ng pedestrian lane pag pauwi. Pag papuntang airport.
Hey guys, so we're still here in Hong Kong. And we're actually waiting for the bus to arrive. This is the bus stop area. Or bus terminal, I don't know. And we are just waiting here. Hold on. I'm a bit shy. Ayan. And nandun pa rin yung mga cousins ko. Naghihintay kami dito ng bus. Ang bus na hinintay namin is 8:32F. And I'm just here sitting. Dun sila. Ang dami ko na-realize dito sa Hong Kong trip na to since tonight is the last night. So, while we are waiting for the bus to arrive, nagsisink in sa akin lahat yung mga Hong Kong Disneyland trip. Like, yun yung pinaka-highlight talaga ng trip na to. So, grabe. At the age of 21, I didn't know that my fit will take me here. And I'm just so grateful for all the blessings that I am receiving. All the hard work that I am putting through is being paid off whenever I go travel. And wala, sobrang nakakaiyak siya. Like, ang dami realizations. Lahat ng mga nangyari na videohan ko, hindi ko man ma-remember ko siya in all my heart. So, once pala nag-travel ka, especially out of the country, sobrang grabe. Sobrang saya. So, we'll update you. Ayun na yung bus namin. We're here in Passport and I purchased Passport? At pumunta rin na airport. Pagod na papunta. I purchased this. Meron in Hong Kong Disneyland. It's 239. It's just 160. Money will be 30. We are maxing out our octopus card already. Kasi pauwi na kami ng Pinas. So, pinakamahal na purchase ko. Ayan. This is us purchasing. Pina-max out na namin yung octopus card namin.
I need an intervention, divine intervention. Only in my vision,
baka makakasakyan ng lagi.
shadows of my past welcome me again.
By years.
But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only love what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me.
Hey guys. This is what we purchased. Also, I purchased this one in the Hong Kong. So cute.
Compromise, compromise.